Thank you so much for joining us, all of you guys, and a very, very big congratulations. Sid, let's start with you. Lots of reasons to do that. Right?
That was way in advance, though.
I know.
But now, in retrospect, it is working. Yeah, we're really excited with the response. Really excited with what people have, felt after they come out of the film. And this was never about like, what is a Friday? What is that? But we were just expecting this only, that people would say it's a good film.
Yeah.
So yeah, extremely happy and excited, and thank you everyone and here's our man.
I know. And his father has kept it all in perspective. Maybe you didn't want the Friday, the big Friday box office figures, but his dad just had one question for you, right, Shakur?
Yeah, my dad just says, congratulations, is it making money?
So then, uncle, I think even uncle is happy now.
Yeah. I think everybody knows how to keep it in perspective. Shakur and I was watching the film, and a couple of my friends actually was like, what is this guy's story that he actually wrote a film like this? So I want to know that.
When I watched these movies in the 90s, all the family films, I found them too happy.
Yeah, I know.
So I just when I made like this, my version of what family is, people are almost judging me like, dude, are you that screwed up? But I mean, this is how I look at families.
Big congratulations. Of course, we know you're always brilliant, but I think you brought another level of ease and effortlessness to this role. So what was, especially the chemistry between the two of you, it was so real, it was almost like it was practiced.
Nice one. How long have you been thinking about this?
All day. I was like, how do I bring this up?
Yeah, I would, all credit goes to Shakur. No, honestly.
We just rehearsed a lot. We kept,
All
again,
credit goes to the two of them. I had no work to do. I was like, this looks so real. It's amazing.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it just...
Both of them are blushing.
Natural.
Both of them.
I'm not blushing, I'm smiling, very happy. My film is a big hit.
We are great. Listen, right now we are all really happy.
Even Shakun's blushing for some reason. Just in association.
Why are you
Because I heard today's figures and I'm really happy.
Good save. And of course, the man of the moment in many ways. I think a lot of people are saying that you're the new Khan to count on in Bollywood, and that is, that's really high praise. And I think all of us want to know, what is next for you in India. I think everybody wants to know what your next projects are. I've just read that Deepika Padukone and you are going to be doing something together. What is with the two of you?
Is that true?
Is that true?
Bata do.
No, I'm not aware of any such thing as yet.
Okay, not as
No.
yet. Because I was wondering, because Deepika was saying something to you the other day on Twitter about let's, get into a
We're
project.
just exchanging fun tweets, that's all. I don't know what FK is doing.
You seem to have a thing for the same women, at least on screen, right? What is that all about?
Well, we'll see. I have generally no clue what he's doing next. So just exactly. So no, not to add to anything or any kind of film. But yeah, again, I think that being said, we'll be pretty excited to work with Deepika.
Yeah, I think we all would be very excited. We'll all be very excited to work with Deepika.
Yeah.
All of us.
You and I want to work with Deepika.
Okay, then I can do that together.
Exactly.
Everybody wants to work with Deepika. Now, we know, obviously, the film was all about the bro code, so to speak. And, we've kind of been there and done that. Alia, I want to ask you, what should a sister pact be all about, as opposed to sister act?
Oh. What's the bro code firstly? Then I can know what the
Let me
sister
go to
pact
the
is.
I mean, the bro code is like, you don't date your brother's ex or like, in this
I think
case.
same
or...
goes for the sister pact.
Yeah.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, of course.
That's what she was asking.
Same
Yeah.
rules.
Yeah.
Same for the sisters, same rules, exact same rules. Only thing is that I feel bro code, the bros I think are more aggressive in this case. Sisters are more
Yeah. We
Yeah.
play it cool.
Yeah, play it cool.
Yeah.
more sensitive.
Absolutely. Not that I would know about either, because I have to say during this film, I have never felt as sad and as glad also to be an only child. Because there were moments when I was like, oh, I really wish I had a brother or a sister. And then there were moments when I was like, okay, I'm really happy that I didn't. Did it make a lot of people also kind of rethink the family dynamic? Did it make people rethink it a bit?
No, I mean, at least the response that I got really, I felt people understood a lot from the message, and I felt the same way when I saw the film. I feel you really kind of realized how you need to value your family and your parents and everybody, your loved ones close to you. So, in fact, we recently had a family gathering, also just kind of say that, listen, we love each other, so just let's express it.
That's really sweet. And actually, I think what a lot of people were touched by was your recent video. I think when your grandparents were playing Happy Birthday for you.
That's exactly what I was talking about.
Oh, that was what you were
yeah,
talking about.
we just all got together. It was post my birthday, but my mom's like, let's celebrate it, let's all go together. And they played the Happy Birthday for me on the wire.
That's amazing.
Your siblings think of this. Were there any moments that they looked at the film and they were like, that's what you kind of do and you need to stop doing? Was there anything like that?
My older brother was sitting next to me during the screening, and I've never seen him express like he was going through every moment like, oh, and then he went like patting my back, and then he went back to watching the film, and then like, and then he would laugh, he would again do this, and be like, so it was very encouraging. I think extremely sweet. He became like paternal yet like brotherly about it, and yeah, he said by far he's like me the best in this film. So.
Well, that's pretty high praise, especially from a brother. And what did your sisters think about it?
They loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they liked it. They liked it very much. They thought it was a very nice family film.
Okay, man, a few words clearly, but that's what we like about you. I think the old world charm is what's working for you.
Morning time, that's why. He'll start talking in 3 hours.
Oh, really? Is he talkative at all?
He's more of the PM.
Oh,
Not the AM.
Okay. So not a morning person. We can all identify with that, and let's hope that we actually one day manage to catch you when you're a little bit more talkative.
Night out with him, no?
I know.
Like a full-out night out.